Meanwhile, West Virginia Governor Jim Justice was also among those praying for the Trump family today. He and the president are close. The governor also updated the state's overall coronavirus numbers.
We as a nation, and especially West Virginians, need to offer up a prayer for our president and the First Lady.
Governor Jim Justice began his Friday COVID-19 briefing by praying for President Trump and his wife. The two businessmen have been close friends for years, long before ever seeking public office. Trump has visited West Virginia often, including the night Justice switched parties from Democrat to Republican. Meanwhile, as for the COVID-19 in West Virginia, Kanawha County was praised today for identifying 85 positive cases during massive testing this week, perhaps stopping a huge outbreak.
So the only way that we can identify those people before they can spread to many others, as the governor said, is to do really extensive testing.
The governor says the state has enough CARES Act funding to keep the massive testing going statewide. In fact, there are 37 testing clinics scheduled over the next 2 weeks all across West Virginia. Also from today's briefing, the governor confirmed something we've asked about all week, that some student athletes and parents have been taking multiple tests, trying to drive their county's negative numbers down into the green or yellow levels so sports could be played. So far, 13 instances were identified, and there may be consequences.
Come up with some level of suspension and or punishment, for those coaches and or athletes, because it's the wrong message that we ought to be sending.
As part of today's briefing, the governor got his flu shot on the live stream and encouraged others to get one too.
If you would like to find out where COVID-19 testing is happening near you, just go to dhhr.wv.gov and click on the coronavirus tab.